Yo, there's currently a storm. We're expecting 50 centimeters to fall from the sky. I'm trying to get some footage of this because I feel like it's unique.
It's genius vibes.
It's actually hectic. This stuff is falling over my face as if it was water, bro. It's actually water, but like, bro, it's crazy. Hey, it's daylight, but it's so foggy. Look behind me, bro. That shit's foggy. Down there is water. Up there, bro, you can't even see shit, bro. So imagine driving in those conditions. I'm gonna go slide downtown, and we will see a little bit because here there's not much happening. It's just people walking, right? It's just the bridge and stuff. One thing that people that shoot content on snow didn't tell me is that you might mess up your camera. Bro, that stuff turns into water and I'm kind of scared for the camera. Holy smoke, that was a bad idea. I'm wet. Oh freak, that shit fucked up. Bro, it hasn't even been like 2 minutes. I was checking the snow rink, and then my car is already covered with snow. I'm in the middle of a snowstorm, bro. Welcome to Canada. This street is supposed to be super busy technically, but like it's dead. I'm not even joking. Like no one wants to be in the snowstorm apart from me, I guess. It's crazy. Here this is Fredericton downtown. And that's City Hall, bro, she dead too. We fuck. No one wants to be out, bro. Yeah, I was turning down that freaking heat. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not too happy with the footage I have because I know I can get like way more nicer footage. But like the snow, so I'm scared for the gears, I'm scared for the camera, I'm scared for the lens. I brought an umbrella. I thought I was going to use it, but it's so fast, so like by the time like, because the umbrella I cannot hook it to the camera, it's just like a normal umbrella. So I thought like whenever I turn it on, I'm just gonna put the umbrella up and then try to shoot, but that didn't work out that way. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, put some comment, and see you on the next video. Peace out.